Hey there, everybody. This is Mike Faber, Florida Suncoast Real Estate. I'm here with one of my Rockstar lending partners, Pete Meinerich, formerly of Homebridge Financial and now with CMG Home Loans. Same great lender, better products. So, Pete, thanks for coming on today. And, we're going to talk about this market, the mortgage industry, what's going on with that. And layer on top of that, what's going on with the, local Manatee, Sarasota County real estate market, and what home loans out there may help you get into your dream home. So Pete, thanks for joining us, and let's talk real estate.
All right.
What are you seeing in today's mortgage market, Pete? Where are things going? Rates are bouncing up and down. Lately, I see that they've kind of settled down and are inching their way down. Is that an accurate statement?
Yes, they've been hovering in the mid to low sixes now, and they were in the mid to upper sixes here over the past, say, 2 to 3 weeks. They have come down a little bit. The programs that we're seeing out there usually have a little bit of under market rate, whether the assistance programs through the state of Florida or CMG's FHA Buyer's Choice. We can get borrowers in with very minimal money, so it's just a matter of finding that home in the area you want to be. But as far as the rates go, yeah, they have been trending down, but as soon as we hear that or we say that to you, they start edging up a little bit. So we're getting a little bit of a pullback, but that's just what they're doing out there because there's really no rhyme or reason to see what this inflation is going to be doing out there. Everybody's kind of on the fence and seeing, is inflation going to come down, when it's going to come down, and nobody seems to really know the answer to that. So we're just dealing with trying to get these people into homes with affordable interest rates, buy down rates, buying out mortgage insurance, and it helps. It definitely helps.
Yeah. So these bond programs, down payment assistance programs, how do those work? I mean, is it you've got let's say an FHA or a conventional mortgage, and then what's the bond program? How's that work?
Yeah, the bond program gives up to, in some cases, depending upon the program, it could be $10,000, it could be 5% of the loan amount, it could be as much as 5% or up to $25,000 on a state program specifically, or you can also use that money along with some seller paid costs and get your interest rate nice and low. But the bond programs are a soft second mortgage. You don't make any payments on that. But again, anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000 is what you can expect to get with the programs out there right now.
Okay, that's certainly a big help for people.
Definitely.
I know they have the state's got a Hometown Heroes program. So if you're a first responder, teacher, nurse, cop, fireman, there's a laundry list. Just reach out to me and I'll get you that list. More than likely, you qualify if you have a license in the state of Florida for something. You can qualify for that. And that's 5% of the purchase price up to $25,000. And then just recently, in March, the state Senate passed another housing bill that's called Live Local. The Hometown Heroes, it's kind of morphing into Live Local, and it's going to expand to more people can qualify, first-time buyer, up to $35,000 towards down payment assistance or 5% of the purchase price. And on that one, you will have some income limits. You can't make over, again, they haven't exactly locked that in, but $100,000, $125,000 household income to qualify for that. But that is another way to get some money towards your down payment to help you get into your house. And Pete, you mentioned CMG has a product that, what's that? Similar to that, but what's that about?
Right, the CMG home loans product is called, it's an FHA loan. It's a FHA Buyer's Choice loan where they get 5% assistance, and you don't have to be a first-time buyer. You can have a credit score down to 620. There's no income limit, so we can actually get that 5%, and you can use that toward a combination of down payment and closing costs. It is an FHA loan, and if you work it right with some seller assistance, minimal, you can pretty much get in with very, very little out the door to buy your new home. But that is an FHA loan, and that's an internal program that CMG has. Again, no first-time buyer limit, no income limits, 5% assistance, so it's a good product.
Yeah, that's awesome. So, guys, if you're out there, you've got any questions about these, or you need to talk mortgages, give this guy a call. He'll treat you right. He'll show you, he'll just pull back the curtain and find the best product that's going to best suit you and your financial needs for yourself and your family. What's really going to make sense with that. And if it comes time to find a house, give this guy a call. Been at it for 21 years. I've been through the rodeo a time or two. Hope you have a great rest of your week. And I'll leave Pete's contact information in the post as well as mine. And Pete, if you've got a link to that Buyer's Choice program, or just call him. He'll explain it to you. You don't need to explore that on your own and get more confused. So just reach out to either one of us. Guys, have a great week, and we'll catch up with you soon.